Isang magandang pagpapalamara na naman po sa inyo lahat and welcome po to my devotion this day, December 30, 2025. Today topic naman na pag-uusapan natin is about Jesus, Alpha and Omega. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng Alpha and Omega? And yung verse naman na talakay natin this day is from Revelation chapter 22, verse 13. So dyan, I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last, the beginning and the end. Now, our verse reveals that Jesus is the Alpha and the Omega, the one who exists before all things and remains after all things. Ipinapakita nito na si Jesus ang pinagmulan at patutunguhan ng buong buhay at kasaysayan. He holds time, creation, and eternity in His hands, guiding every beginning and securing every ending. Bilang mga mananampalataya, we can trust that our lives are not random because Jesus directs our journey according to His perfect will and purpose. Kaya naman pa sa this day, number one is Jesus claims to be Yahweh. By calling Himself the Alpha and the Omega, Jesus declares that His divine identity as God. Sa lumang tipan, ang titulong ito ay para lamang kay Yahweh, kaya malinaw na ipinapakita ni Jesus na siya ay tunay na Diyos. This assures us that the one who speaks to us has absolute authority, power, and eternal existence. Pangalawa naman natin ito, Jesus is the beginning of creation. Jesus is the source of everything that exists and nothing was made apart from Him. Ibig sabihin ng ating buhay ay nagsimula dahil sa Kanya at ayon sa Kanyang plano. Knowing this helps us understand that we are not accidents but creations formed with intention and value. And pangatlo naman is Jesus is the purpose of creation. All things ultimately exist for Christ and points back to Him. Hindi lamang siya ang simula, kundi siya rin ang layunin ng lahat. Our lives find true meaning when we live for His glory and align our desires with His eternal purpose. Kaya ng klaseng application this day, number one is thank Jesus for everything you have. Since all creations come from Him, we are called to live with gratitude. Salamat na pagdating natin si Jesus sa buhay natin, sa lakas, pagkakataon at biyayang pinatanggap natin sa araw-araw, knowing that everything flows from His hand. Application mo ito naman is find your design and purpose in Christ. Instead of letting the world define who you are, hanapin natin ang ating identity at calling kay Kristo. He is both our Creator and our destination, so only in Him will our life truly make sense. And application ito naman natin is use everything you have to honor Jesus. Because of everything begins and ends in Him, gamitin natin ang ating oras, talento, resources at kakayahan upang manatili siya. Let our life reflect that Jesus is truly the Alpha and the Omega we live for. That's all for my devotion this day. December 30, 2025, my name is Kalanti po, and thank you for watching.